Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, HollywoodShono here, about to give you an iPad Pro 12.9-inch third generation unboxing video. Now, as you guys can see here, I've actually been a fan of the iPad Pro. This is the first generation 12.9-inch. It was super heavy and a little bit uncomfortable to use with the Otterbox case. This is the 10.5-inch second generation that I just have been loving, really powerful. But inside here, this box, we have the third generation iPad Pro. I already have the Otterbox case ready for it. And here we also have the USB-C to digital AV adapter. This showed up like 8:45 in the morning. So let's unbox this and show off the iPad. And here it is, the lovely iPad Pro 12.9-inch. And there you can see 1 terabyte. So this is going to have 6 gigs of RAM up from 4. Sorry about my focus not being the greatest there, but I guess that's good to get blurriness out. But there you have it, 1 terabyte iPad Pro. Let's also crack this open, and you guys can see all its glory as I turn it on for the first time. And on this one, they actually have a pull tab, so you don't have to razor blade the packaging. This would be a lot easier to do if I had an extra set of hands to do it. That box just looks beautiful. Alright, so there's the iPad Pro. There's the beautiful display, nice and cold, courtesy of FedEx. And yeah, that definitely feels a lot lighter in the hand. And thankfully, it does not appear bent at all. So that looks beautiful. And you can see the little plastic bit there for the Apple Pencil. I don't know if it's compatible with the first generation Apple Pencil, which I own. But now for the unboxing of the $1,700 iPad Pro. Looks amazing. Again, this is hard to do with one hand, so pardon my bad filming. This would be a lot better if I had 2 hands, but there it is, the iPad Pro. Button is still on the top. All right, so now we got it booted up. I got a charging cable to it. I don't know if I just had to hold the power button down for about 5-6 seconds, but there you can see Generation 1, 2, and 3 iPad Pro. That is just a beautiful screen. So swipe up to open. Now, this is the first one that does not have a home button. And right away, it even says, set up new iPad. How in the world does it know I have a new iPad? That is some funky stuff. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. That is pretty damn cool. So let's continue. I don't know what type of technician, and you can see, hold your new iPad up to the camera. Okay, so I couldn't actually get it to work, so we're going to sign into the network. One thing you can definitely appreciate about the 12.9-inch iPad is the keyboard. It actually has the numbers in, whereas the 10.5-inch, when you actually put something in, does not have that, and you actually have to hit the 1, 2, 3. So that's a nice little perk of having the 12.9-inch iPad. Definitely a fan of that. So we're signing into the network now. And we're going to have to transfer everything over, which is going to be a pain in the butt. But yeah, we are set up, so now we can hit next on it. And it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Now, this is a cellular model as well. And the SIM card tray is right there on the bottom right. So we're going to have to set that up as well. And the SIM card is actually on the bottom right on this iPad. And this also has a SIM card. So I have 3 versions of LTE iPad. So it takes a few minutes to initialize the iPad. We're going to hit data and privacy. We can set up the Face ID later, and we're not going to set up a passcode right away. And you can restore from other things and don't transfer apps. We're going to do all that manually, and we're going to sign in with our Apple ID. This feels really good in the hand. Like, it almost feels bad putting a case on this. Okay, so we're signed into our new iPad. We're going to agree to the terms. Does anybody actually read that? Let's take it a few minutes to set up the device again. While we're doing that, we're going to get the Otterbox. And I must say, the Otterbox probably weighs as much as the iPad, if not more. So it is going to add some weight. And what settings can we actually customize? We can install updates manually. Definitely enable location. We'll set up Siri later because I don't really like using it. Get a weekly report. We can continue with that. Analytics, app analytics, true tone display. No. Looks way better without. And I'm going to go with light. And swipe up to go home. Quick access to dock. So it's basically telling you all the new stuff. Quickly access controls and welcome to iPad. So yeah, there it is right there. This iPad looks beautiful in the hand. Again, I really wish I didn't put a case on it, but I always put a case on all my iPads. So we do have the Defender Otterbox case. I'm going to take the SIM card out of this right here and then put it into here. And we are going to put this video up, and I'm going to set up this 1 terabyte iPad. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day, kids. Also, in the box is a USB-C cable. It's probably only a foot, along with the Apple charger. All right, so there you can see in all of its glory, we have 3 iPads, the 1st Gen Pro, the 2nd Gen Pro, and the 3rd Gen Pro, which is a beast at 1 terabyte. And every single iPad is supported by Otterbox. Yes, I reversed 2 of the 3. But you can see that when I case my stuff, it's all Otterbox.
Fit me